Hello everybody, Stu Weinstock here from beautiful Miami, Florida. Hope everyone is doing well. I'm a ketogenic lifestyle coach and school psychologist. And today we're going to talk about the way that we can help sustain and really create an impression upon ourselves that we're going in the right direction with our diet and lifestyle needs nutritionally. And that is creating a pro and cons list. Yes, on a regular basis, assessing the advantages and disadvantages of sticking to your keto goals can be very life enhancing. And we'll go into this right now. Embarking on the ketogenic lifestyle and diet is a commitment that often requires substantial changes in your lifestyle and eating habits. As with any significant endeavor, it's essential on a regular basis to assess the advantages and disadvantages of sticking to your goals. One effective way to do this is by creating a pros and cons list. This simple yet powerful tool can help you stay motivated, identify potential obstacles, and make informed decisions about your keto journey. Now let's speak about the benefits of creating a pros and cons list. Number one advantage is clarity and focus. Writing down the pros and cons of your keto diet helps you gain clarity about your motivations and the benefits you are experiencing. It allows you to focus on what's working, what's not, and what is crucial for staying on track. Now, let's talk about motivational boost. And this is what another aspect of a pro and cons list is very, very pivotal. Seeing a list of the benefits you've gathered from following a keto lifestyle can be incredibly motivating, whether it's weight loss, increased energy levels, or improved mental clarity. These positive outcomes can reinforce your commitment to the lifestyle. Now, also, in terms of pros and cons list, it helps with problem identification. Listing the cons can help you identify recurring issues or challenges you might be facing. This awareness allows you to address these problems more effectively, whether it's by tweaking your meal plans or seeking support or finding alternative solutions. Now let's talk about decision-making aid, which is really one of the positive aspects. A pros and cons list can serve as a valuable decision-making tool. If you're considering making changes to your diet or lifestyle, this list can help you weigh the potential benefits against the drawbacks, leading to more informed and balanced decisions. Now let's speak about how to create an effective pros and cons list. Number one, be honest and specific. Honesty is crucial when creating your list. Be specific about the advantages and disadvantages that you have experienced. For instance, instead of just writing weight loss as a pro, specify how much weight you've lost and how has it impacted your life. Also, number two, include short-term and long-term effects. Consider both the short-term and long-term effects of sticking to your keto goals. Short-term benefits might include immediate weight loss and increased energy, while long-term benefits could involve improved overall health and reduced risk of chronic diseases. Number three, revisit and revise on a regular basis. Your pros and cons list should be a living document. Revisit and revise it on a regular basis to reflect on new experiences and changes in your life. This ongoing assessment can help you stay in tune with your goals and adapt your approach as needed. Now, common pros and cons of the keto diet now we'll explore. Some of the pros that are frequently spoken about are the weight loss aspects. Many people experience significant weight loss on the keto diet and lifestyle, which can lead to improved self-esteem and overall health. Number two is frequently spoken about increased energy. Shifting your body's primary fuel source from carbohydrates to fats can result in more stable energy levels throughout the day. Number three, improved mental clarity you hear often. Many keto dieters report improved focus and mental clarity, which can enhance productivity and the quality of their lives. Number four, you hear about reduced cravings. A high-fat, low-carb diet can help reduce sugar cravings and make it easier to stick to your dietary goals. Now, some of the cons that you do hear are the initial adjustment period. Yes, it's a process to get adjusted to keto in the beginning. The initial transition to a keto diet and lifestyle, often referred to as a keto flu, can involve symptoms like fatigue, headaches, and irritability as your body adapts. But however, only a insignificant few actually go through a keto flu. It's not as common as it's seen in the literature, and that's a good thing. Number two, social challenges is often a con to keto. Sticking to a strict keto diet can be challenging in social settings where high carb foods are prevalent. So sometimes there are social hurdles that we have to get through. But in terms of being our own advocate for our health, we do cut through it and adapt to the diet and lifestyle accordingly. A lot of people sometimes say as a con, it's limited food choices. However, we have a whole gamut of wonderful food choices that we can elect to have under the keto diet and lifestyle. The diet's restrictions can sometimes make meal planning and dining out more difficult, but that is really something that people can adapt to. Again, there's a whole range of foods that are in play with keto, and it's most restaurants are very accommodating to us as keto lifestyle and enthusiasts. And some people say there are nutritional deficiency risks. Without careful planning, there's a risk of missing out on essential nutrients that are typically found in carb-rich foods. I would say to you that if you stick to nutritious, highly dense proteins like steak, chicken, hamburger, fish, eggs, seafood, they tend to be very nutrient dense, and we do get our vitamins and minerals from them, and some, certainly from non-starchy veggies that we can actually have in our diet plans on a sparingly, like broccoli, cauliflower, kale, iceberg lettuce. Yeah, there are many non-starchy veggies that come into play that we can have also in the ketogenic diet and lifestyle. So creating and regularly updating a pros and cons list in conclusion can be a valuable strategy for anyone on the keto diet or considering it. This practice provides clarity, boosts motivation, identifies problems, and aids in decision making. By taking the time to assess the advantages and disadvantages of sticking to your keto goals, you can stay more focused and committed to achieving the health and lifestyle benefits you desire. Remember, every journey has its ups and downs, certainly, but with a clear understanding of your reasons and challenges, you can navigate the path to success more effectively. And there you are. I hope you found this discussion helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below this video. Certainly with anything that we do in life, a pros and cons list on occasion does help with our clarity and gives us the guidance that we are on the right path to enhancing our health and well-being. And again, this is Stu Weinstock from beautiful Miami, Florida. I certainly would be honored if you chose to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Any questions or comments, please leave them below this video. We'll talk again with you tomorrow. Take good care now. Bye-bye.